When I first tried blending a little Vaseline with a pinch of baking soda, I honestly didn't imagine it would do much. Yet the outcome completely surprised me, and this tiny experiment quickly turned into one of my favorite skincare discoveries. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to make it and why it's so effective. The process is simple, natural, and the results can genuinely transform the way your skin feels and looks. Begin by taking a clean, small bowl and adding about 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. Many people think of Vaseline as nothing more than a basic moisturizer, but once you see what this mixture can do, you'll see it in a whole new light. Keep watching until the end, because the final effect is something you'll definitely want to experience for yourself. Now warm up a little water in a small pot. You don't need it boiling, just hot enough to gently melt the Vaseline. Once the water is ready, place the bowl with Vaseline inside and stir slowly as it softens into a smooth, creamy texture. You'll notice it becoming silkier and easier to work with, which is exactly what we want for the next step. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the melted Vaseline. It might seem like a small amount, but that's precisely the right balance to create a rich, even mixture. Stir patiently until the paste turns white and uniform. The 2 ingredients work beautifully together. One nourishes deeply, while the other softly renews the skin's surface. This step ensures your blend feels pleasant and delivers visible improvement after just one use. Now, you may be wondering what makes this combination so special. The answer is simple. It's a natural skincare treatment that both moisturizes and exfoliates. Pour your finished mixture into a small, clean jar and keep it handy whenever your skin needs a quick boost. Vaseline locks in moisture and protects your skin, while baking soda gently removes dead cells and impurities, revealing a smooth, radiant texture. For the best results, apply a generous layer to your hands or feet. Wrap them in a soft towel or cover them with plastic gloves so the warmth enhances absorption. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You'll instantly feel your skin become soft, supple, and refreshed. It's an effortless trick that fits perfectly into your everyday home tips and beauty routine. Ever since I discovered this method, I've continued using it regularly and always recommend it to others. It's affordable, fast, and produces results you can truly see and feel. Share this tip with friends and family, try it once, and it might just become one of your favorite beauty secrets too.